Hey my dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today I'm going to talk about my mind goes blank when I speak in English. Are you thinking like this? Okay, this problem is yours. So please watch this video till the end and definitely you will get some knowledgeable and informative things which will help you more. Okay, so without further delay, let's go to the video. So friends, today I'm talking about my mind goes blank when I speak in English. So first, why it happens? Why it does happen with everyone? Why? Do you think? No? Okay, so first there are so many reasons are there why our mind goes blank when we speak in English. So firstly we should try to find out that reasons. Okay, so number one is anxiety. It means chinta. Okay, so anxiety, when we think more and more about anything, not only English, so we just think in our mind, so we can't able to speak out. Okay, so that is the first reason, we think more. And second reason is this, lack of confidence. Okay, second reason is lack of confidence, because when we start of doing anything, so if we have no confidence about doing all the thing, so we can't do it perfectly. We have a fear like this, if I do this, so what will happen? Or if I will speak in English, so what will happen? What people will say about me, or what people will think about me, right? Am I right? Now number three reason is this, that overthinking. Yes guys, when you thinking more and more, so that time you feel like what I will say again and again, right? And fourth reason is this, that you are, guys, when you started to learn anything like English you are learning, so that time you try to make sentence like translation. You are doing translation Hindi to English. I also did all the things, and also I'm doing this, but this is not the good way, because we want to improve our English and we want to become a good fluencer speaker, so we should try to speak and we should try to think in English, so that time we will become good speaker, right? Am I right? I hope you will understand more and more. So this is these types of the reason which is happening with us, so we should try to do all the things according to us. So guys, once when you find out your problem and your problem and mistakes, so now there is a solution also which I'm going to share with you. And this problem and this solution I also faced, and the solution I also followed by me. Okay, so all these words which I'm going to share with you now, so all based on my English journey. Okay, so initially days when I started, so that time I faced those problem, and after some time I followed these steps and things, so now I'm able to speak in front of anybody. Okay, still I'm doing sometime mistakes, but I'm not thinking about all those mistakes, because I know uh, one day I will become a good speaker. Yes. So guys, number one solution is this, that don't think about those people who always try to tease you, criticize you and demotivates you. Always think positive. Okay, if people gives you advice that don't speak in English because your English is not good, and you can't able to speak anymore or anytime, so don't do this. So please, I'm telling you guys, don't follow those people who always said like this. First you should find out your ability. Okay, what you want to do and what is your achievement in your life, what you want to become. Okay, if you want to become a good speaker, so you just try to do that thing, okay, which you want to achieve. So first thing, don't think about your mistakes, because if you think about your mistakes now, so you can't able to speak, you never can't, not no, can't, but you never speak in English, I can say. Because all the time you will think that if I will say I'm correct or not. I now again I'm saying anything. So now I'm correct or not. So this problem will happen with you, and you will not able to speak a single word. I can say literally, I can say to you. But second one, that you just try to speak whatever in your mind, you try to speak, you try to form your sentence in according to your words. Okay, if you have little vocab, so you can form little sentence by yourself. Okay, so it will really helpful. But here I want to add one thing, that don't translate English to Hindi. I know we can understand easily English by translating in our mother tongue, because Hindi is my mother tongue, and I don't know what is your mother tongue. Someone is Marathi, someone is Bengali, someone is Punjabi. Okay, because India is a very beautiful place. There are 28 states, so there are so many peoples who are very beautiful languages, so they can understand easily, right? So guys, you should try to translate your words English to English. It will really helpful to you. Okay, number 3, confidence. Okay, I in the beginning I told you now, lack of confidence. If we have no confidence about to do anything, so we can't do anything. Because if we have a confidence, so we can do anything. I know, because when I started my journey, that time I have no confidence. I have no confidence, guys. And when I speak to anyone, that time my heart was beating again and again, and I was very I was not able to speak a single word that time. But I forgot all the thing, and I put my all the mistakes beside me, and I convey myself that no, I will speak in English. Why? Because I want to speak in English, and I want to improve my English, I want to become a good speaker. So that's why I did these things. So you can also do. Okay, it will really helpful to you. Okay guys, and last one is this, that once when you woke up, whenever you wake up, so that time you just speak in English. Now I'm wake up, I'm going to my bed. No, I wake up, I'm going to my washroom, I am brushing my teeth, I'm taking bath. You can make short sentences by yourself. And next one is last, that I learned all the things from YouTube, and you can also use this uh, platform YouTube, and you just read and write or listen, like daily use sentences. It will really helpful to you. Okay, like if you have small kids, and you want to improve your kids English and your English, so it will really helpful to you. Okay, so you just listen those videos, daily use conversation or daily use videos English. Okay, so there is a sort of sentences like come here, go there, sit quiet. Okay, sit quiet, don't speak, don't touch. These type of two letter sentences will help you. a lot. Okay, and yeah, if you like this video, so like, share and subscribe the channel and follow all the tips and tricks by yourself, and one day you will really become good speaker. Okay, I was not able to speak a single word initially days, but now if this time I am speaking in front of you, in front of you, so, or just because of practice, because practice is must. Okay guys, so you just try to speak in English, try to think in English, don't think about your mistakes. Okay, so happy journey, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.